You have been told vitamins are useless. That they are, just expensive pee. But what if I told you that's half truth? And the other half is the reason so many people still feel tired, bloated, foggy, and inflamed even with the normal diet. So let's talk about what your body is really missing and why functional medicine look at vitamins completely differently. We have all heard it. You don't need vitamins if you eat balanced diet. But here's the thing. How many people actually eat a truly balanced diet anymore? Between processed foods, nutrient depleted soil, stress, poor sleep, and toxin, most people are running on nutritional fumes. And when your body doesn't get the right micronutrients, it doesn't just feel off, it starts to break down at the cellular level. Fatigue, brain fog, hair loss, anxiety, bloating, inflammation, and weight gain. These aren't the random symptoms. These are new deficiency signals. So are vitamins useless? Only if you are using the wrong kind in a wrong form for a wrong reasons. So let's break this down. Most store-bought multivitamins, they are synthetic and poorly absorbed. They use a cheap form of B vitamins that your body can convert properly. Iron that causes constipation. Calcium that does nothing for your bones. Your body needs vitamins in their activated bioavailable form, the ones your cell actually recognizes and uses. That's what functional medicine look at, not just what's in the pill, but whether your mitochondria can actually use it. So the functional medicine asks, why does this person need that nutrient in the first place? Is it a gut absorption issue, chronic inflammation, toxin overload, mitochondrial dysfunction? Because if your cells are inflamed or your gut is leaky, no supplement in the world will fix that until you fix the root cause. That's why I tell patients, testing before guessing is the key. Functional lab testing helps us see what's truly missing. We look at methylation, vitamin D level, minerals like magnesium and zinc, and even mitochondrial markers like CoQ10 and L-carnitine. You can't optimize what you don't measure. Ever had your labs come back normal but you still feel like crap? That's because normal doesn't mean optimal. Functional medicine ranges are tighter. They are designed for performance, not just for survival. For example, vitamin D. Conventional range says 30 is fine. Functional medicine says aim for at least 70 to 80 for brain and immune health. Vitamin B12. The lab might say 400 is normal, but your brain functions best around 800 to 1000. See the difference? Your body doesn't use vitamins in isolation. It uses them in teams. B vitamin needs magnesium. Vitamin D needs vitamin K2 and magnesium. Iron needs vitamin C. If you are missing one, the whole system slows down. That's why quality multivitamin or functional blend, when done right, can be life-changing. Not because they are magic, but because they fill in the gaps your modern lifestyle creates. When you get this right, your energy changes. You think clearer. You burn fat more efficiently. You recover faster. Hormones balances out. Because every single process, from metabolism to mood, depends on these micronutrients acting like a spark plug for your cells. So next time when someone says vitamins are useless, tell them only if you are taking them the wrong way. Functional medicine isn't about taking more pills. It's about targeting the right ones at the right time for the right reason. If you are tired of guessing, get your nutrients tested. See what your body is actually missing. That's how we rebuild the true energy from inside out. If you find this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. Share this video with someone who needs it. And follow at MyFitMed for more science-backed health content that actually makes sense.